try this. Gonna see if they pay it backwards here. What's this here? Yeah. We'll give this a try.
Do you want me to take your order, please?
Yes, I'd like to order a medium single coffee and a medium coffee with 1 cream.
Yeah.
And a Raisin Bran muffin.
For muffins, I only have carrot cake and blueberry.
Oh, I'll have a blueberry
And carrot cake.
and a carrot cake. And we're not paying. We want the pay it backwards, and the Prius in front of us is going to pay for this order. Okay?
So car front of you paying for your order, right?
Yep. The car in front of us is going to pay.
No problem.
All right, we're good.
Oh, okay. So I repeat your order. You have a medium regular, medium with 1 cream, 2 muffins, right?
Yep.
Driver, buddy.
See, that's how you don't pay for your stuff, right? Right? Don't make eye contact with the guy in front of us here. Yeah, I saw this in 22 minutes. Boys called it paying backwards. Instead of paying for the car behind you, you just tell them that the car in front of you is paying. Do you think this is going to work? Let's check it out. I think it's going to work. Uh-oh. There's a controversy at the window. Oh, great.
There you go. You recording us?
Oh, good. Yeah. Did that guy pay for it? The guy in front of us paid for it, right?
He paid for your order.
Oh, that's awesome. That's nice of him, wasn't it?
Okay, there you go.
Thank you. See you now.
I like your car.
Oh, yeah. It's nice. Yeah, thanks.
Take care.
There you go, buddy. That's how you get free coffee at Tim Hortons and free muffs. Peace out.